There are many different types of Salesforce architects. We have enterprise, solution, technical, domain, application, and system architects. Each of these require their own very unique skill set. In this video, I'm going to be going over 5 essential skills that all Salesforce architects need. Let's get into it. Before we begin, what is a Salesforce architect? A Salesforce architect is a strategic position that plays a crucial role in designing and guiding the implementation of Salesforce solutions within an organization. Their primary responsibility is to ensure that the Salesforce ecosystem aligns with the business's needs and goals, offering scalable, maintainable, and efficient solutions. First things first, you need a deep understanding of the Salesforce platform. So let's imagine Salesforce as a vast toolkit. As an architect, you need to know what each tool does, how they work together, and when to use each one. This isn't just about knowing the basics, but mastering the nitty-gritty of customization options, integration capabilities, and staying on top of new features and updates. Salesforce is always developing, growing, and changing, so keeping up is part of the job.
Before we go any further, I'd like to take a few seconds to thank this video's sponsor, Elements.cloud. AI can make you so much more effective as a Salesforce professional, and I'm blown away by what is achievable with Elements GPT. You should take a look at elements.cloud/SFN.
Here, think of yourself as a bridge between the technical world and the business side. You're not just coding or configuring, you're solving business problems with Salesforce solutions. This requires a knack for understanding what a business needs, sometimes even before they know it themselves, and then crafting solutions that are practical, effective, and tailored to those needs. It's about translating geek speak into street speak. Another super important but less thought of skill is communication and collaboration. This skill is all about making connections, whether you're breaking down complex technical details for a non-tech audience or collaborating with a team. It's one thing to have a brilliant idea, but if you can't communicate it effectively, it's like winking in the dark. You know what you're doing, but nobody else does. Collaboration is key because Salesforce projects often involve diverse teams, including developers, analysts, stakeholders, and end users. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't start without a blueprint, right? Similarly, designing Salesforce solutions requires a clear plan that considers current needs and anticipates future growth. This involves understanding how data moves through the system, ensuring the architecture is secure, and making sure it performs well under pressure. Documenting your architecture is also crucial so that others can understand and work with your designs. The tech field changes faster than almost any other, and Salesforce is no exception. That's why adaptability and continuous learning is important. Being adaptable means being open to change and being ready to pivot when necessary. Pivot! Continuous learning keeps you at the top of your game. Salesforce offers a wealth of resources like Trailhead to help you keep learning and earning those all-important certifications. Now, those are the main skills you need to have, but we're only scratching the surface here. Here are a few bonus skills for you to think about that will also help you succeed as a Salesforce architect. Think of this as being the conductor of an orchestra. You've got to make sure everyone is playing in harmony, on time, and to the best of their abilities to ensure the project is successful. After all, if you're not managing your team, then who is? This is about looking at data and seeing the story it tells. It's a critical skill for making informed decisions and providing evidence-based recommendations. Lastly, creativity isn't just for artists. It's about thinking outside the standard solutions to find innovative ways to meet challenges. This can mean designing a unique user experience or finding a clever workaround for a complex problem. Each of these skills contributes to making you a well-rounded Salesforce architect, capable of not just working within the system but pushing its boundaries to create truly impactful solutions. And remember, while these are foundational, the field is vast and there's always room to specialize and deepen your expertise in specific areas. In essence, a Salesforce architect is a visionary and a technical leader who ensures that an organization's Salesforce platform is effectively designed and utilized to achieve business success. They are instrumental in driving Salesforce projects from conception through to implementation, ensuring that the solutions delivered are scalable, efficient, and aligned with the business goals.